Hello, welcome and welcome back to MP News. This is Aditi Mishra. Welcomes you in our special show दिल चाहता है। इंदौर की बात हो और खाने की बात ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, as it is also not fair. Indore is famous and known as the commercial capital of Central India. Has also been declared as the cleanest city of India. पर ऐसा क्या है जो इंदौर को और भी अमेजिंग बनाता है, ग्रेट ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन बनाता है? इंदौर को सबसे अमेजिंग बनाता है इट्स रिच फूड कल्चर, वैरायटी ऑफ फूड अवेलेबल हियर. A variety of food, a single sort of variety a foodie want is available in the Indore. Basically, Indore is famous for its street food hubs like Chappan Dukan, Sarafa Bazaar, which serves up everything like from local specialties जैसे कि भुट्टे का खीर, पोहा, जलेबी, मालपुआ, गराडू से लेकर नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन, चाइनीज एंड इवन इटालियन cuisines too. A foodie want every sort of variety, every type of taste in his or her mouth. Then a real foodie can say to a real foodie that Indore is a food heaven for foodies. However, छप्पन दुकान is like कि ऐसी एक पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीट है छप्पन दुकान जो कि दोनों साइड से स्ट्रीट फूड स्टॉल से पैक्ड है. तो वही सराफा बाजार अपने आप में एक ऐसा यूनिक मार्केट है जो कि खुलता ही 7 बजे के बाद है और सुबह की 2 बजे तक चालू रहता है. You will find every single sort of dishes, every sort of varieties of food, whether it is in chili, whether it is in sweet flavor, you will find everything in Indore. अब भाई ये तो बता दिया कि इंदौर फूडीज के लिए हेवन है, इंदौर इज हेवन फॉर द फूडीज, पर कहाँ पर क्या खाना चाहिए ये बताना तो भूल ही गए. इफ यू आर कमिंग टू इंदौर, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स, दीज आर द cuisines that you have to indulge in. You have to eat these cuisines. The first thing that you have to eat in Indore is poha jalebi. As poha jalebi, you will find everywhere poha jalebi in Indore, but especially if you want to taste the real taste of Indore, then you have to come Chappan Dukan to taste the real taste of poha jalebi. If you are a big fan of namkeen, then you have to go Om Namkeen and Akash Namkeen. Khatta samosa, if you really want to eat khatta samosa, then you have to go Chappan Dukan at Jan Mishthan Bhandar, JMB. You have to try it. Even though you will find Rajasthan specialty दाल बाफला in इंदौर. दाल बाफला आपको इंदौर में मिल जाएगा, लेकिन मिलेगा बिल्कुल स्पेशल इंदौर के फ्लेवर में. There are lots of dishes that you will find in Indore like hot dog, kulfi faluda, poha jalebi, ras malai, gulab jamun, bhutte ka kees, mawa mithai, every single thing that you would love to try. Hot dog की बात हो रही है तो it is not that simple hot dog that you will find everywhere. This Indore's hot dog have its own uniqueness. It is like sandwich and it is sort of burger. And once if you try this, once you ate this, literally that taste is going to be last long in your words and you will come to Indore again and again to taste this Johnny hot dog. Johnny hot dog is a joint. Basically it is started from Indore, but now it is not only famous in India but even in international. Yes, this Johnny hot dog is even famous in different countries and people literally come from different countries to try this Johnny hot dog, because this hot dog has its uniqueness. You will literally try, you have to try this green chutney which they put in the hot dog and you will seriously, you are really going to be miss this if once you left this Indore. And if any foodie wants to know that where is food heaven, अगर कोई आपसे पूछ ले तो please tell him or her that Indore is the food heaven for the real foodies and they have to come to Indore to explore foods. अब यार इंदौर की बात हो रही है और अगर कंटिन्यू फूड की बात करेंगे तो दिस एपिसोड इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एंड बट वी हैव टू एंड ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई विल कम अगेन एंड सी यू अगेन विद अनदर डिफरेंट थिंग्स ऑफ इंदौर. बाय.